In this video, we're going to take a look at how to use click to call and track a note. In Wealthbox, when you're wanting to call a client, we have a built-in feature called the click to call feature that allows you to initiate the phone call directly out of the CRM and have that actually log the fact that a call was made. This feature is available simply by clicking on the phone icon on the client's record page. And before you actually make that call, it is important that you verify your number, which is available in the application section at the top right, which will allow your number to show up on the client's caller ID. But when we're actually going to use this feature, instead of you having to pick up your phone and dial out, you can just hit place call. And this will actually call your phone. Once you answer your phone, that'll connect you to the client. And as I had mentioned, this will log the fact that a call was made. But then while you're on that phone, you could click directly into the publisher and type in what you're talking about. So I could go ahead and type in here that I spoke with Delilah regarding her upcoming annual review next Tuesday. The meeting has been scheduled at 11 a.m. Perfect. That's how you track the actual note, and that call is logged. So that's how to use click to call and track that note in Wealthbox.